All right, this video is the latest OnShape video, and this one will show you how to revolve or rotate a part. For my first example, we're going to do several examples in here. I'm on the top plane. I'm going to hit sketch, choose the top plane to draw on, and then I'm going to make a center point circle right here at the center point, and I'm going to make it 2 inches in diameter. Before I close the sketch, though, I'm going to make a line, use the line, and I'm going to make a line that goes from the left side to the right side and touches both sides in the middle of this circle. Hit escape to finish that. Then I'm going to use the little scissors or the trim feature. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to take away the top half of this circle. It doesn't matter which half normally if you're doing a full rotation. So now you can see that I have just a half circle left. Now I'm going to click the green tick mark to save the sketch. I'm going to click on the Revolve key. The face and sketch region to resolve is this front. The revolve axis is the center axis. And I just need to, it's new, I just need to click the OK button. And you can see, if I make it isometric, that I've got a round sphere. As a second example, in the same video, I am going to make a new part. So I'm going to Part Studio, create Part Studio to get a second part in the same object. Oops, I meant to go to the top and I went to the front. So I'm going to draw again on the top surface. For this one, I am going to make a sketch, and I'm going to make a big center point rectangle. It's bigger than my 2-inch diameter sphere. So I think I'll make it 3 by 3. 3 enter, 3 enter to make that a 3 by 3 square. I'm going to tick that. I'm going to choose the sketch face and extrude. And I'm going to make, since it's 3 inches, I'm going to make a 3-inch cube. You can see I've got a 3-inch cube still on the top surface. Now I'm going to make a new sketch on the top face. I'm going to make a center point circle right here. I'm going to make it 2 inches. I'm going to click OK. Nope, I forgot to draw the line first. So I'm going to draw a line again across the middle of this, touching both sides. I'm going to trim half of that. And okay. Now I'm going to rotate this, but instead of adding material, I'm going to remove material, and I'm going to merge with all. The face and sketch to revolve is this face of the circle. The revolve axis is the center line. And I click OK. And you can see by doing that, I made a dimple, a 2-inch diameter, so it goes down 1 inch. And I removed the material, so now I've got this divot in the top. That's a second option. And then for a third, I'm going to create a new Part Studio. For a third example, I'm going to make, drawing on the top surface again. I'm going to make a mushroom. something that's shaped like a mushroom. So let me go to the front. I went the wrong way. Go to the front surface and draw on the front surface. And I'm going to do a sketch on the front surface, and I'm going to make a corner rectangle. Corner rectangle. I'm going to make the corner of it start right here. Why won't it start? Come on. Corner rectangle. Top plane. Oh, because I'm drawing on the front plane. I meant to draw on the front plane. That's my problem. Front plane. Try again. I'm going to make a corner rectangle. Hello. Okay, great. Thank you. Bye. Sorry for the interruption. Okay, so I'm making a corner rectangle, and I'm going to go like this. Whatever that is what it is. I don't care, because it's not fancy. All right, and again, I'm going to trim the middle out of it. Oops, I forgot to draw the line. Okay, trim the middle out of it. Trim those 3 lines. Now, it doesn't have to be a circle to revolve. I'm going to save this sketch. I'm going to revolve this. This is the face I'm going to revolve. The revolve axis is this center line. Click OK. Now you can see, if you look at it from an isometric view, that I've got a cylinder. All right, I'm going to go to the top plane, and on the top plane, I'm going to draw a sketch of a circle, center point circle. Think about how I want to do this. I think I need to be on the front plane still. Front plane. Yeah. Front plane. I'm going to make a circle. Center point circle right here on this spot. Let's make it 3 inches. All right, now I'm going to cut this twice. So I'm going to make a line across here, from here to here. Oops. Control Z because I didn't get it in the right spot. Make a line from here to here, and then from here to here. All right. Now I am trimming this quarter of a circle and this half a circle, and this part of the center line. So all I'm left with is a quarter of the circle. I'm going to revolve that. I'm going to add material and merge with all because I've already got this front surface. Sketch face to resolve is that. Revolve axis is this, and I'm going to click OK. And now you can see when I rotate it that I have kind of a mushroom shaped thing because I did a quarter circle. So that's 3 different ways that you can revolve or rotate. You can make a sphere, you can remove material and make a kind of a dimple, and then you can revolve just a half of something, or you can revolve a cylinder out of a rectangle. So that's a bunch of different ways that you can revolve something. Those are really useful. Let me know if you have questions.